the dependable and reliable go-to sandwich that is smoked ham and cheese. Let's dissect and analyze this. As usual, I'll work out what it's worth, what its value is. I'll make it myself to show how easy or hard it is and how long it takes, and I'll pull up the offers that are going on right now at supermarkets for the ingredients. At the end, I'll wrap up by comparing the cost of buying it with the cost of the ingredients themselves and show how good the value of buying it is, or how much money you can save by cooking it yourself. Back to the sandwich. It was $2.50 from Waitrose, and it is absolutely as you would expect. I'm just going to open it up for you so you can all see. But it's got your ham, it's got your slice of cheese, it's got a bit of mayonnaise. That is what you would expect. Not much more, not much less, and that is what you get. I'm just going to go weigh the ingredients used in this because it's got the percentage for the ham and the cheese, but not the bread or the mayo. Here it is, all dissected. So we've got 95 grams of the bread, 40 of the ham, 32 of the cheese, and 7 of the mayo, although there's definitely some straggling mayonnaise left on all the rest of it. So that comes out to 23% of the ham and 18% of the cheese that I've measured. The pack says 26 and 17, so they are pretty similar. And I'm sure there's going to be discrepancies in each pack. Now, how much would the ingredients cost if we buy them from the same shop, so Waitrose? The pack of bread is 85p for a loaf, that's 400 grams. The ham is $3.49 for 130 grams. Cheese is $1.89 for 250 grams. And a jar of mayo is £1.09 for 500 milliliters. So the cost of buying the ingredients used to sandwich by the same amount of weight that was in the sandwich would cost 20p for the bread, £1.07 for the ham, 24 for the cheddar, and 2 for the mayo, as a grand total of £1.53, which is 97p cheaper than buying the sandwich itself. Obviously, a part of the difference in the price is the fact that you're paying for convenience. It's made for you, you just take it from the shop and you're good to go. But it does stand to say that you can save 97p if you were to buy the ingredients and make it yourself. It's different for each person. Some people would prefer to save time. Some people would prefer to just have it easier and for the convenience aspect. But it is each person's own preference. And sometimes maybe you can't take it into work, or there's nowhere to keep it at work. Other times maybe it's just that you're not prepared and you just need a sandwich there and then. It's not a regular thing, it just happens at one time. And obviously in that case, there's nothing you can do really, other than kind of buying the pack of ham and making it right there and then, which you could do. For me personally, the amount of ham that you get in the sandwich is a little low compared to how much money I am spending, and it is the most important ingredient of a sandwich, isn't it? And I feel that making it myself, I can put a lot more in there, or put as much as I want in there. I'm not going to go make one of these. So that took me 1 minute 25 seconds, and it was 97p cheaper to buy the ingredients. So by making it yourself, you can save £40.96 per hour that you've spent making the sandwich. So what if you were saving that much every day of the week that you would buy a sandwich for? So let's say, for example, 5 times a week into a year. So in a week, you will save £4.84. And in a year, that sums up to £251. And the amount of time you would have spent making the sandwich throughout a year is 6 hours and 8 minutes. Obviously, making it yourself is going to have a bit of preparation involved. You're going to have to do the shopping to make sure that you've got the ingredients. You're going to have to make it in the night before or in the morning. There's also aspects like what do you do with the rest of the ingredients once you've bought it, and if you only ever use it for a few sandwiches. I take it most people won't want to have smoked ham and cheese sandwich every day for a week. But if you do live with other people, like family, friends, university hall, you could buy it for the lot and make the same thing for that one day and share it out between everyone. And then the next day, you can make something different. Now it's offers time. So Waitrose has a pack of the ham on a third off for £2.32. You can get 2 packs of the cheddar cheese for £3 as opposed to 1 for £1.89. You can also get a bigger loaf of bread, which is double the weight but not quite double the price. So that's £1.20. It's a little bit cheaper per 100 gram. Similarly, you can get a bigger jar of mayonnaise, £1.51 for 750ml. And that puts the total cost of the sandwich with the offers to £1.06. To wrap it up, you'd be saving 97p per sandwich. If you cooked it yourself, that comes out to £251 saved in a year, which is £40.96p saved per hour that you spend cooking, or with the offers, which obviously aren't going to be on all of the year, but you'd be saving £1.44 per sandwich. It comes out to £373 saved per year, and that is £60.89p per hour that you spend cooking that you save. Whether that's worth it or not depends on each individual person, but now you've got the numbers to think about whether it might be worth it for you or not. Thank you very much for watching. I found this insightful. Share this to a friend of yours who's always complaining about the lack of filling in a sandwich, or is saying that they should cook more or start saving some money on food. Let me know what you'd like me to analyze or dissect next by commenting below. If this has helped you in any way, if you've started cooking more, started saving money, found it interesting to know how much the ingredients in a sandwich cost, let me know. I'd love to hear. Stay tuned for the next analysis and have a tasty day.